Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, James with Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, March 13th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold again from this top, lower highs so far, and continue set lower lows. So lower high, let's see, high was 1365, 40, 1365. Yeah, it's pretty much close to a. So lower highs here continually, and continue set lower lows. Potentially forming a higher low here. We'll see if this dip buying here with these long lower wicks, bulls fall through. They need to break 1342 in the coming days to prove themselves to me, to set a higher high on this daily chart. What I would play is, if I was a bull, I'd play the break, honestly, of the high of today of 1328.80, showing me that this dip buying will continue with these long lower wicks that potentially bulls are going to start having some momentum here on the daily chart. So looking for a break of today's high of 1328.80 tomorrow, and regaining this 20 MA middle Bollinger Band, and then going for this 1342. Definitely a red flag if we break below the low of today of 13.80. That would definitely be a red flag to me and telling me that a higher low has not been established yet on the daily. Looking at the weekly. Weekly, after this big move, this is pretty healthy consolidation in my opinion. So big time bull move, weeks and weeks of bullish action here. And some healthy consolidation here in my opinion. Looking at the weekly, we have low 13.20. So we have multiple inside candles, high and low within the previous ranges, high and low, and this weekly is just another inside candle. So I would see how this plays out. If the bulls do show up in a big way and they break 1342.20, the highlighted on the smaller time frame charts, then I would that's going to be really strong for the bulls, and then look for a retest, potentially break to a higher high on the weekly. But as of now, we're just trading in a range, tighter and tighter range on the weekly. As gold consolidates, we don't want to get a bearish MACD here, which it's currently, let's see if we have, it's right on the verge there. It's pretty close. We'll see what happens. It's going to depend on which way these the consolidation turns out. If we do break the low of this week, 13.80, then I do believe that we're going to lose this 13.20 and break bearish, and confirmation with a break of this low of 13.0360. But as of now, bulls have been doing a pretty good job of defending that 1300 level, which they weren't able to do back here on this run up today. We lost that 1300 level very quickly and moved to the downside. So we'll see if gold bulls are showing up a little bit stronger here. There is a little bit more volatility in the markets. In the past, I think that kind of volatility would have moved up gold much stronger, but as of now, it's not. Doesn't seem to be as strong of a go-to for a safety haven in this volatility with markets. So be aware of that. We'll just play the charts for now. And so again, we need to look at today's candle, and I would play, as a bull, play the break of the high of today of 1328.80. If bulls are able to take it out, I would ride that tomorrow and just have a trailing stop loss there. GDXJ, still waiting for this monthly to play out. Still tightening. So still tightening range, high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. We are getting tighter and tighter, and hopefully we'll get a break here on this monthly charts one way or another. This is a pretty long, at this point, long consolidation. A little bit too long for me to call it anything but consolidation and price discovery at this point on the monthly. It's been going on for over a year now on the monthly, so I'm going to patiently wait for the GDXJ. If you're playing it as a trade, daily today. Looking at it as a trade, the weekly as well on GDXJ is in a equilibrium pattern. So we have high, low, lower high, higher, low, lower high, and it's getting tighter here as well. Bull break would be a break of last week's 32.83. Bear break would be that previous week's break of 30.71. So eyeing this weekly chart along with that monthly chart. GDX, same thing on the weekly. We have an equilibrium pattern here. High, low, lower high, higher, low, lower high, and it's getting tighter as well. So these are all things to watch for on those longer term time frames. Looking at the hourly. Hourly on GDX did break to a higher high on the daily yesterday. Had some nice and break to another higher high on the hourly as well today. So what I would play here now at this point is tomorrow I would play a resistance break here of 2181 first, and then of course these consecutive highs of these hourly candles would be resistances. If you're playing bearish, I would look for a break of 2165 on GDX, GDXJ. Hourly, I would play a bull break of 3204, and bearish, I would play 3181 break as a bear play if you're looking for a trade. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.